This is the way our furniture is built. All of our heirloom, top-of-the-line pieces of furniture are made from the finest American curly maple. Every piece is carefully fabricated using the patterns from an original Chesterfield sofa that was imported to America from Ireland, which was over 200 years old. Now we assemble the components using the latest modern wood glue available. It is a type of epoxy that was formulated by a manufacturer of piano components that bonds so thoroughly the wood can only break on either side of a joint. Now the completed frame, after the feet have been attached and the glue finishes curing for a week, is ready for the webbing, which the deck springs will be attached to. When this unit is completed, the spring deck and spring box cushion will be similar to the standard bedroom set mattress and box spring, and just as comfortable too. Now, each spring is hand-tied using Italian jute spring twine to form the decking the cushion sets on top of. It takes one entire workday to tie together and regulate the height of these springs, but the results are worth the work. Every piece of furniture we offer is built from start to finish by one talented cabinet maker upholsterer, who proudly applies their name to each piece they create. Now that the springs are in place, it's time to cover them with 20-ounce burlap, which will hold the padding materials in place. The arms and backrests are given the same treatment. There is no foam, cardboard, or plastic used in the construction of our furniture. They are all crafted in the same manner as the original antique we cloned 50 years ago, so our clients may enjoy the quality of craftsmanship that has all but disappeared in the world. After all the springs are attached and covered with burlap, we install the animal hair padding materials, which are the first layer of many to assure the maximum of comfort and longevity. Next comes the cotton batting to cover the hair, and the last layer of padding is a 75-25% goose feathers and down, which is sewn into muslin bags and applied over all of the interior surfaces that the user comes in contact with. After that, the fashion fabric is applied using the same meticulous by-hand craftsmanship, meaning there are no metal tacking strips used to attach the side panels and the back. We hand saw all closing seams using heavy carpet thread, so anyone who knows antiques will be sure these pieces are the real deal. We never use staples where they will show, only upholstery tacks. Again, this practice assures the authenticity of your new antique furniture. As can be seen by the last photo, we have another happy customer. Hopefully, this short video presentation will help you to understand and appreciate the difference between furniture and classic top-of-the-line heirloom treasures that will be in your family for generations. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We look forward to serving you soon.